Hi everyone, let's talk about a puzzle called River Decanting again. In this puzzle, you are sitting by a river with an empty container that can hold up to 15 liters of water and another empty container that can hold up to 16 liters of water. How can you measure out exactly 8 liters of water? So you want exactly 8 liters in one of the two containers and the other container to be empty. And the condition in this kind of a problem is that at each step, some container must either be filled to the brim or be emptied completely. So I'll wait for 5 seconds. You can pause the video if you want, and then I'll cover the solution. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's take a look how we can make this happen. We start with some experimentation. So we start with 0 and 15 and 0 and 16, and we fill the 15 liter container. Then we take the 15 liters in the 15 liter container and we pour it all into the 16 liter container. Then we fill the 15 liter container again, and here's the tricky part. We fill up the 16 liter container using 1 liter from the 15 liter container. And then we empty the 16 liter container. So that leaves us with 14 liters in the 15 liter container. The key idea is that we went from 15.0 to 14.0. So it looks like we might be able to reduce the amount of water in the 15 liter container by 1 liter after a few steps. And we can keep going like this. So let's generalize this process. Let's say we have n liters in the 15 liter container where n is less than or equal to 15. Then we put the n liters in the 16 liter container, and then we fill up the 15 liter container again. Here's the really tricky part. We want to fill up the 16 liter container, which means we need to put 16 minus n liters into the 16 liter container from the 15 liter container. So we're subtracting 16 minus n from the 15 liter container. And if you do 15 minus in parentheses 16 minus n, you're left with n minus 1. And then you just empty the 16 liter container. So we can actually go from n0 to n minus 1, 0. So this shows that we can go from 15.0 to 14.0 to 13.0 all the way through to 8.0. And that solves the problem. Thanks for watching, and feel free to write a comment if you have a different solution. I'll see you next time.